welcome. If you have been experiencing spiritual chills on your journey, then this video is for you. Spiritual chills defines when you get goosebumps from positive outside or internal stimuli, which could be memories, compliments, inspiring music, movies, a loved one, time with friends, praying, praising God, meditation, receiving a confirmation, feeling motivated to strive, gratefulness, and most importantly, feel a cold or hot, euphoric / blissful wave flowing underneath your skin. This euphoric wave can be learned to be brought up on demand consciously for long durations without the physical reaction of goosebumps and can give one the ability to do incredible feats with it. This video will be about how to bring up spiritual chills during meditation and why you should. First off, let's talk about the many wonderful reasons why you should allow yourself to circulate your spiritual energy during your meditation sessions. Number 1, you will have the opportunity to accurately reactivate all of your energy pathways. So you can then be able to feel your spiritual chills everywhere in your body. Number 2, your relaxed state of mind, thanks to the lowered brain waves that being in a meditative state brings you, will allow you to effectively send out thought forms with your spiritual chills into your auric field, which will eventually and automatically bring back into your life people, situations, and circumstances that reflect the thought or emotions that were sent out and present while you were summoning your spiritual chills. Number 3, you get to feel this euphoric energy on demand flowing through your whole being during the whole meditation session, and in return, over time, allow you to feel the same way during your daily life. Number 4, bringing up and circulating it upwards and downwards in you while meditating, if done long enough, will have your consciousness slowly forget the limitations of your physical body and join your fully developed and expanded 360 auric field, allowing you to feel and recognize the true size of your spirit. Number 5, since your energetic body will be fully restored thanks to a previous meditation session with your spiritual chills, you will be able to feel more alive during your day because of your energy pathways being now all active, helping you be more aware of your intuition, telling you when something is off. Now, for my personal and favorite method to feel this blissful occurrence during a meditation session, while meditating, first thing you want to do is calm your mental energy. And the best way to do that is not to focus on not thinking, but rather consciously guide your thoughts until they exhaust themselves and won't bring up more unnecessary thoughts. My go-to train of thoughts for this is gratitude. I start off by thanking God for my 5 senses and by really delving into why I am grateful for them. Then I start to think of everything else I can be thankful for and also really dive into why I'm grateful for them until I feel myself getting into a trance. Then after this, my mental energy has been used. So no more thoughts are present, and this is when I bring up my spiritual chills. Triggers for that is of course gratitude, reflecting on unconditional love, inspiring lyrics from a song, the intent of raising my temperature or lowering it. And if you are at a more advanced level with this energy, just intending to have it brought up is enough for it to come up, so you don't need any trigger other than that intention. Now, when you have found a trigger for your spiritual chills to effectively be brought up on demand, just sweep yourself up with them, and by that I mean send it up all the way to your head, then send it back down to your feet, and do this process during the rest of your meditation session. Remember, energy follows attention. Don't be afraid to bring up positive memories or thoughts during the process to amplify your spiritual energy, and you can also use your breath to breathe in and out slowly and steadily for your chills to amplify. Thank you for watching this video, and tune in next week for videos going more in depth on what you can do, how to strengthen it, how to feel it, and much more on spiritual chills.